I'm going to show you 3 different ways to save text messages on Android. First of all, Android doesn't exactly have a built-in way to save messages. But whether you're just looking to save individual messages or to back up your entire messaging history, we can do it all. Let's look at individual messages first. Let's say I have a message that's important, and I just kind of want to highlight, pin, and bookmark that message so I can go back to it anytime I want. To do that, I'll long press the message in my conversation and then tap the little start icon up top. This will star the message, and the way it works is that all your starred messages go into their own collection. Now when I go back to the main page of my Messages app, tap the search and filter by starred messages, I'll see all my starred messages here. So, if you're looking to save certain messages so you'd be able to find them later, this is a good way to do it. If you're looking to back up your entire messaging history, the Google Cloud Backup actually does that for you. If you're not familiar, you can turn this on by going to Settings and then scrolling down to Google, or on some phones like mine here, you'll find this under System, and from there you'll scroll all the way down to Backup. This is an overall backup of your phone and everything important on it. If you haven't set up the backup yet, go ahead and set it up. There's usually 2 main options, whether your photos and videos are included in the backup and whether your other device data will be included. If I tap Other Device Data, I can see that mine is toggled on, and below that it says SMS and MMS messages are included. Once those are set up, your phone will regularly back up everything in the background, usually when you're plugged to a charger and connected to Wi-Fi. Or, if you'd like, you can go and manually force a new backup. The downside of the built-in Google Backup is that the messages included in this backup are hidden and only accessible if you're using the backup to restore a new phone. I think it's a privacy feature, but obviously a big issue if you're looking to manually access and read your messages. If you do need manual access to message history, there's a great app called SMS Backup and Restore developed by SynTech. This is the top-rated tool for message backups, and you can download it for free from the Google Play Store. When you launch it for the first time, it's going to ask for permissions to access your messages and call logs, and once all permissions have been granted, you can set up a backup for messages, calls, or both. It's all pretty simple. You'll choose where those messages will be saved, and that can be a folder on your phone or a cloud storage location like Google Drive. If you're using Google Drive, you'll just need to make sure you're logged in. You can create a dedicated folder where your message backup goes, and you might run into a few more pop-ups about permissions. Just follow the on-screen prompts and set up the backup the way you like it. You can have it hourly, daily, or weekly, and once your backup is ready, it'll look like this. On your Google Drive, you'll see an industry-standard XML file, which can be kinda hard to read. It's often meant to be imported into other tools and software. If you're just looking to manually read your texts, the easiest way is to go to the SMS Backup app, choose your backup and conversation, and view your texts there. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.